Hi all, I'm Dhruvatija Kandalam Sunil, and today I'm gonna show you my project on employment data visualization dashboard. Before we just delve into this dashboard, I'd like to explain you how this project is working. In my backend, I've used the Express and then the TypeScript. In my front end, I've used the React, Vite, Tailwind, and then the D3. If we come towards what are the graphs in this, like salary by location, I've used a group bar chart. Salary by job title, I've used box plot, ridge, density plot, and a simple bar chart. In the geographic, I've used the impactor map, which is the salary versus posting data. I've used the scatter plot. In the job counts by industries, I've used the stack bar chart, and then in the hiring pulse, I have the line graph and then the bubble chart. So if I see how exactly this is running, the Express does the heavy data lifting, React D3 handles the visualization, the Vite glues towards the development experience together, and all behind a single node entry point. That's the whole workflow of my employment data visualization. Let's check this. So in the first one, which is a group bar chart, I'll have an option to like select just one industry or option like this, or an option to like select multiple industries, say manufacturing, retail, education, logistics, finance, communication, technology, entertainment, healthcare, all of them, or like just select three of them, and I'll be able to visualize which country, what is the average salary, what are the industries in it. I can just figure out which level I want to visualize and then try like this, or I can just visualize with particular locations like Sydney and then New York, which I've tried here. I'll be able to visualize based according to them in these three sectors, and then overall I'll be able to like check. I'll be able to visualize like this. So this is my salary by location and industry. Come to the second one, which is I'm clearing everything for now. And second one, which is salary by job title. I've used the box plot, the density plot, and then the bar chart. I have an option to like visualize the top five, like the HR managers, the business analysts, AI engineers, DevOps engineer, data scientist, and then their pay on average, given by median by range, and then the overall in the box plot, the density plot by range, by median, the bar chart by median, by range, and then the overall of them. This in top 5, I just click on overall, I'll be still able to visualize each and everything in density plot by range, overall by median, the box plot by median, by range, and then overall. So I'll be able to filter out with respects to the industries in this. What are the industries here in New York as data science, financial, full stack developer, HR manager, marketing analyst, software engineer, UI, UX designer. What are their average salaries? What are job title, average salaries, and then exact bar chart, and then the box plot. So this is my salary by job title. Coming to the third map, geographic distribution. Here I'll be able to visualize what is the least and then what is the maximum. We can see the job count is high in North America, Europe, and Asia, and the least is in Africa. So if you want, I can just click on this, able to visualize the market analysis. What are the jobs? What is the average salary? What is the group? What are the top industries? What are the top positions? Each and every country, Asia, Australia, Africa. You can see the job salary, average salary, whereas having the least and then the maximum, the growth, the least and then the maximum. Coming to the fourth, with the salary versus job posting, I can give you a trend of how exactly it's working. Okay, I'm filling the filters here and applying. I'll give a brief overview. So this is a relation between the salary and then the posting marks. If I have an option to group it, say in the retail, and then just see this, there are much postings in this between May to June, and then July to August, and then in the month of October. For the retail in the government sector, if I see most of them is in July, October, November, and then 2025 January. It's between that. So yeah, this part, like in the month between August and September move and in the February month. So this is my analysis. Coming to the fifth one, jobs count by industry, which is a stacked bar chart. I have an option to visualize each and everything like government, uh, internship, temporary contract, part times. I have an option to like view all of them. I have an option to select the levels and then try visualizing them. I have an option to like select just different countries and visualize upon to them. I'm trying just this. What are the industries? I can just visualize only one kind of industries and in two different locations and then select what are the contracts, what are the internships, what are the full times, what are the part times, just and then overall just manufacturing industries say that overall of them I'll be able to visualize. So this is the job counts by industry. And coming to the last one, which is hiring pulse, I have an option to switch it between the bubble chart and then the line graph. I have an option to like select the different experience levels. I am trying to select the entry level and then say manager level and I click apply. Entry level and manager level. This is a line graph and then this is the bubble chart. I have an option to choose multiple of them like this. I have an option to choose only one of them and remove each and everything else, visualize them, and then just visualize one of these bubble charts. Or I have an option to like change it also, senior level, and then it automatically aligns with the colors so that it can easily differentiate the manager and senior level. If I have just one of them, it just gives one color, which is more easier and better to visualize. If I have multiple of them, because each and everything will be in same color, so it's very hard. So this is the manager level, this is the entry level, and this is the mid level, and this is how it's working. Overall, this is my employment data visualization project, which has an interactive dashboard. So I would like to conclude this by saying that this project demonstrates a well-structured full-stack web application leveraging modern technologies and then the best practices. As far as I understand, it efficiently serves the employment data with filtering and pagination capabilities, which provides a responsive and user-friendly interface. The use of TypeScript across the stack enhances the code readability and maintainability. Thank you.